Second topic, addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. It's very simple. Addition of 4-digit number without regrouping. So let's discuss through an example. First example is 3042 plus 2140. Two 4-digit numbers. Okay. Then we use the vertical addition, means write one number below the other. So the first number is 3042. 3042 plus 2000, 2040. Draw this way, and in this space we write the answer. Same method. Same method of addition. Start from the ones place. So the ones place digits are 2 and 4. It's very simple. 2 plus 4 is equal to, yes, 2 plus 4, 6. Very good. That we write here. Any carry over? No, because the answer is a 1-digit number. No carry over. Without regrouping. No need to regroup. Why? Because the answer is a 1-digit number. Next, ones place digits over, ones place over. And next, the tens place digits 4 plus 1. This is the property. Yes, the next number of 4. Yes, 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Next, 0 plus 1. Yes, addition in 0. 0 in addition. Yes, if we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. So, 0, 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 2. Yes, 5. Very good. 5. So, what is the answer? How we read this number? Yes, 5156. 5156. So 3042 plus 2114 is equal to 5156. Addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, next example. Yes, arrange this way. Column method, mean vertical addition. 3432. Okay, next 5310. Add it. Plus symbol. Don't forget to add this plus symbol. Okay, in this side we already write here. Anywhere we can write, no problem. Start from this ones place. Yes, 2 plus 0 is 2. Yes, then 3 plus 1. Yes, 4. 4 plus 3. Yes, 7. 3 plus 5. Yes, but 8. Okay, so the answer is 8742. 8742. So we can write 3432 plus 5310 is equal to 8742. This is the answer. Sum of 3432 and 5310 is called the what is 8742. These two numbers are called what? This is sum. What is this two number? Yes, these are added. The number that are added are called the added. So these two numbers are added and this is the sum. In the first example, these two numbers are added. This is the sum. Okay, addition of 4-digit numbers. Same method we use the vertical addition. We start from the ones place. Add that ones place digit. Then tens place digit. 100 place digit and 1000 place digits. 4-digit numbers. Clear? Example 3. The question is 3412 plus 2033 plus 342. Addition of more than 2 numbers. Same method we use. Vertical addition means write one number below the other. And we started from the first number. 3412 plus 2033 plus. See here 3 add-ons are there. Now first add-on, second add-on, third add-on. Here the first 2 add-ons are 4-digit number. But the third add-on is a 3-digit number. So how we write in here now? Yes, we are studying. We write all the ones place, all the ones place, under the ones place, tens place, under the tens place, thousand place, hundred place, under the hundred place, and so on. So here in 342, 2, the ones place digit is 2. So 2 we write here. Mean we arrange the digit according to the places. Then 4 is in the tens place. So this is the tens place. We write 4 here. 3 is in the hundred place. Draw that. Any thousand place digits here? No, that means 0. No thousand place digits here means it is 0. No need to write the number here. Then after adding, or some are writing this way. 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 0, 33 plus 342. Is it correct? No, because here 2, if this is for this way, we write 2 is in the tens place, but actually 2 is in which place? Ones place. So this is wrong method. You should follow. You should write in this method. Write the digits according to the places. So then after we arrange in vertical addition method, then after adding 2, 2 plus 3, yes, 5, 5 plus 2, yes, 7, 7 we write in the ones place. Only one digit, no need to regroup. Then 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, next 4 plus 0, 4 plus 3, 7. Next 3 plus 2, the thousand place 3 and 2, thousand place digit. Any digits are here? No, means 0. So 3 plus 2, 5. So answer is 5,787. So the answer is 3,412 plus 2,033 plus 342 is equal to 5,787. This is the answer. Okay, so we learned how to add 3-digit numbers with regrouping and 4-digit number without regrouping. So you should follow this method. First we write the numbers in any 2-digit, 3-digit, any numbers, any 2 or more than 2 numbers. We arrange this column one below the other. After we draw a line here. In this space we write the answer. So then write this question again. Put an equal symbol and write what we get. No, that we write here. So this is the correct method, correct step to do the addition problem. So all should follow these steps. Okay, so children, this term onwards you have one new work. The work is practice work. So you should keep a notebook for this practice work. Any type of notebook, rolled, unrolled. If you have old notebook, you can use. But don't write this in the paper. All should keep a notebook for write in the name, your name, class, division, in subject place. You can write max practice book. Practice book, practice workbook. And don't write in this paper, because if the teacher asks to submit the book, you have to show the book. So all should keep a notebook for this practice work. And what we want to write in this practice book? Now we solved it we discussed it 2 topics. The first topic is addition of 3-digit numbers. Second topic is addition of 4-digit number. In the first topics we solved how many examples? 3 examples. So you should write all the examples that we solve in this video. All the example. For the first addition of 3-digit number, we solved 3 example. Addition of 4-digit number, we solved 3 example. So you should write that 6 examples. For the first topic, 3 example. Second topic, 3 example. In that practice workbook. Or we write, put the date. Put the correct date. Heading. Topic name. First addition of. Example, if in practice book. Put the correct date in the first page. You write this correct date. Then after write the topic, that is addition of 3-digit number. Addition of 3-digit number with carryover. Addition of 3-digit number with carryover. Then example 1 or question number 1. Anyway, you can write example 1. Which question I solved in that video? Write that question and solve here with the correct step. Then example 2. Write that question, solve it. Then example 3. Write that question, solve it. Then after, write the next heading. Next topic, that is addition of 4-digit number. 3 example we solve that, write one by one. Okay, then submit. Submit through the Google Classroom. Okay, so in this term onwards, we have 3 assignments, 3 slots we give in the Google Classroom. For the first slot, question asked in the video, that you have to submit that day itself. Okay. Second assignment, submit the practice workbook. Okay, that will give 2 days time. Within that days, you have to submit. And the last third slot, notes and homework. Notes and homework. That is the first and second we usually do. That new work is that second one, practice work. Okay, so submit this through Google Classroom and this mark will consider for the star of the week. So if you not submit the practice work, you will lose the star of that week. So it is compulsory, all should do this practice work. Clear now what is practice work? See how many questions we solve in this video. Write that all question in your practice workbook and submit through Google Classroom before the due time. Okay, that is the practice work. So for every week you have to submit 3 assignment. In the first assignment, question asked in the video. Second assignment, practice workbook. Third assignment, maths notes and homework. No need to submit the notes, only submit the homework. Okay, you can check the due time. And check in the Google Classroom, you can see the due date and due time. Okay, so before the due time, you have to submit. Otherwise, you lost the mark. Okay? And lost the star of the week. So this mark will consider for the star of the week. So it's compulsory. All should do the practice work. Okay, and if you have any doubt about this practice work, you can discuss that in the live class. Clear? Now, the question of this video. What is the question? Fill in the blanks. Very simple question. First one is 15 plus 0 is equal to dash. Question 3. Question number 2. 13 plus dash is equal to 30. Question number 3. 231 plus dash is equal to 231 plus 1 is equal to dash. Question number 4, 0 plus dash is equal to 28. So these all questions were based on the properties of addition. We have studied 3 properties now. So that question is based on that property. So you do this back side of your maths notebook and your rough book and submit through Google Classroom that day itself before the due time. Okay, so don't be confused. This question you have to submit that day itself. Means when we upload the video, that day itself before the live class, before the due time, you have to submit this question. And practice workbook, you have to submit. That is the second assignment. When due date will give, check the due date in the Google Classroom and submit before that due date. Then notes and homeworks will keep on in the Google Classroom. Then how we write in the notebook? So we finished our first terminal portions. So in the first terminal portions, now we fold the book this way, fold one page this way. Okay, and write here second terminal portion. Second term, write here second term. House, write here second term. This way, write here second term. Using pencil neatly write, fold this way and write. Then you can write, put the correct date, chapter 4 addition, write the heading, then write the numbers. And if when we write in the question, here the pages is this way. Lines are this way in this notebook. Yes. So right here, that's margin is here. Put the date here. Then chapter name, chapter 4 addition right here. And if you write in, when you write in the problems, you leave one line, one or two lines. For example, if the question is this way, if the question is 242 plus 349. Okay, question is this way. Then we have to arrange, then we have to write this in the vertical column method. So you leave one or two lines, or just leave two lines, and you can start from here 242 plus the next line 349. Why we leave this line? Because this line we can use to write the carryover. Otherwise, write all numbers in rush, we can understand. Okay, maybe you write the correct answer, but the teachers can't understand. So what? You lost the mark. So if you write this question, just leave two lines. And if they carry over the 2 plus 1, 2 plus 9, 11, 1 we write, and 1 carry over, you can write in this place. Clear? That's why we told you to leave the two lines. This way you have to write. And in this space, this leaving space, you can write the carry over. Okay, so children, notes and homework Miss will send through Google Classroom. So write that neatly in your Max notebook. Put correct date, chapter name, chapter number, underline it. Then first topic, name of the first topic, and so on. And leave this like space to write the carryover. Leave one or two lines to write the carryover before doing the sums. Okay. That only here. Then so this term onwards, you have three things to submit. First things for answer the question asked in the video, that you have to submit that day itself. Means this question. Okay. Write in the back side of your Max notebook or in rough book, anywhere you can write and submit through Google Classroom. For the first assignment, what is the name or title of that assignment? Answer the question asked in the video. The second one is practice work. So for the practice work, you should keep a book. Why? What is the purpose of this practice book? To improve your mathematics skill, to improve your speed, accuracy, etc. So all should keep a notebook for this practice. Sense clear? No? Already explained what we want to write in the practice book. So check that due time. Before the due time, you have to submit the practice book. Same way, but notebook and homework. No need to send the notes. You have to send only the homework. Take a clear pictures and submit through Google Classroom. Okay, so 3 works you have to do for these 3 terms, this term onwards. Okay, so this today's class. All should do the work and submit before the due time. We will continue this chapter next class. Okay, thank you.
Today, let us dive underwater and learn addition of 2 3-digit numbers with regrouping, tens to hundreds and tens. See the seahorses. They are so beautiful and colorful. There are 264 purple seahorses and 165 orange seahorses. Let us see how many seahorses are there in all. Let us group them into hundreds, tens, and ones, and then add them. So, there are 2 hundreds, 6 tens, and 4 ones purple seahorses, and 106 tens, and 5 ones orange seahorses. Let us represent each 100 with a green dot, each 10 with a red dot, and each 1 with a blue dot. So, the numbers 264 and 165 will be represented with dots like this. Now, let us add the dots in the ones column first, then the dots in the tens column, and lastly the dots in the hundreds column. So, 4 blue dots plus 5 blue dots is equal to 9 ones. Now add the tens, that is 6 red dots plus 6 red dots is equal to 12. We know that 12 tens is equal to 100 and 2 tens. So we represent the 10 red dots as 1 green dot. So we regroup 12 tens as 1 green dot and 2 red dots to get 2 tens. Now add the hundreds, that is 1 green dot plus 2 green dots plus 1 green dot, that is equal to 4 hundreds. So we get in all 4 hundreds, 2 tens and 9 ones, which is equal to 429. Thus, there are 429 seahorses in all. Now, we will directly add the numbers 264 and 165. Let us look at the process of addition of these numbers. Step 1. Write the numbers in the hundreds, tens and ones columns. Step 2. Add the digits in the ones column, that is 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Step 3. Add the tens, that is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Regroup the 12 tens, that is 12 tens is equal to 100 and 2 tens. Carry the 100 to the hundreds column and write 2 in the tens column. Step 4. Add the hundreds, that is 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. So, we got the answer as 429. 264 plus 165 is equal to 429. Thus, there are 429 seahorses in all. Can you see some big and small turtles? There are 135 big turtles and 293 small turtles. Let us see how many turtles are there in all. Here we have to add 135 and 293 to find out the total number of turtles. Add the ones, that is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now add the tens, that is 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Carry 100 to the hundreds column and write 2 in the tens column. Now add the hundreds, that is 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Thus, 135 and 293 is equal to 428. There are 428 turtles in all.
Addition of 4-digit numbers. The first problem that Ben picks to solve is to add given numbers 4541 and 2316. He starts solving the question by writing the numbers in these lines. Remember that we begin adding from ones, so here the addition is 7. Now we move to add the tens. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Similarly, we add the numbers under place 100 and thousands. The numbers we get are 8 and 6 respectively. So, given numbers 4541 and 2316 when added is equal to 6857.